Have you ever wondered who owns Basecamp? It's a question that many people have asked, and it's one that has been shrouded in mystery for many years. In this video, I'm going to answer that question once and for all. I'll also take a look at the history of Basecamp, its current state, and what the future holds for this popular project management tool. Who owns Basecamp? The answer to this question is, Basecamp is owned by a company called 37 Signals. 37 Signals is a privately held company that was founded in 1999 by Jason Fried and David Heinemeier Hansen. 37 Signals is headquartered in Chicago, Illinois. The company has over 100 employees. The history of Basecamp. Basecamp was originally released in 2004 as a tool for managing projects. The software was quickly adopted by businesses of all sizes. In 2006, Basecamp was acquired by 37 Signals. 37 Signals has since continued to develop and improve Basecamp. The current state of Basecamp. Basecamp is currently one of the most popular project management tools on the market. It is used by millions of people around the world. Basecamp offers a variety of features, including task management, file sharing, discussion boards, calendars, to-do lists, and much more. Basecamp is available in a variety of plans, including a free plan. The future of Basecamp. 37 Signals has recently announced that it is working on a new version of Basecamp. The new version is expected to be released in 2025. 37 Signals has also announced that it is working on a new product called Hey. Hey is a communication platform that is designed for teams. It is clear that 37 Signals is committed to the future of Basecamp. The company is constantly innovating and improving its products. I hope this video has answered your question about who owns Basecamp. I have also provided you with some information about the history of Basecamp, its current state, and its future. I would encourage you to learn more about Basecamp by visiting the company's website. You can also find a wealth of information about Basecamp online. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.